This video will walk you through the basics of remote data logging with Vernier GoDirect sensors, including the setup and data retrieval. Some GoDirect sensors, like the acceleration and weather sensor, have remote data logging capabilities. This means it can store data directly to the sensor's memory while disconnected from your device and software. This is great for experiments like investigating rocket launch acceleration or long-term environmental monitoring. You can then retrieve and analyze the data from your sensor in Vernier graphical analysis when ready. All remote-capable sensors will have this logo on the label. Let's set up this GoDirect weather for a remote logging experiment. Launch graphical analysis and connect your sensor via Bluetooth. If your sensor has multiple channels, adjust them here. I'm selecting wind speed, temperature, and relative humidity. We recommend deselecting any unnecessary channels during remote logging for efficiency. Click Mode and go into the data collection settings. Next, I'll adjust my units to minutes. I want to start collection manually and end collection after 30 minutes for this demonstration. You'll see the option for remote logging here. Let's go ahead and enable it, and click Done. When I'm ready, I'll select Start Logging. My weather sensor is now collecting data and storing it directly in its memory. I can close out of graphical analysis. Take a look at the LED lights on your sensor. When this light is double flashing green, it means data is currently being collected. Awesome, that's what we wanted. I'll set up the GoDirect weather in a covered area on our roof for the next 30 minutes. I'm using a tripod that easily wraps around railings. When the LED begins flashing double orange, I'll know the data collection is complete and ready to be retrieved on my device. You can also reconnect while the sensor is still flashing green to manually stop data collection and retrieve the data. Launch graphical analysis and click Sensor Data Collection. When you reconnect your sensor, graphical analysis will automatically detect stored data and prompt you to retrieve and clear. Keep in mind, once you retrieve the data, it will be cleared from the sensor. If you need to share your data, be sure to save the GMBL file in Graphical Analysis or use the data sharing feature in Graphical Analysis Pro after the retrieval. Now you'll see your stored data displayed on the graph. You can also open the data table for a detailed view. The sensor memory is now cleared and ready for the next experiment, and your data is ready for analysis.